Hey guys, here's a neat tool that I think you guys are going to like. It's the OLFA Rolled Materials Cutter 45C. As a remodeling contractor, I find myself on the cutting end of many different materials, sheet type materials. I often cut ramboard, cardboard, the Schluter DITRA-HEAT mats, warm-up mats, house wrap, carpet, and then every once in a while I'll cut some EDPM rubber, roll roofing. None of these materials are easy to cut, and I often will use a utility knife or shears when doing it. The problem with the utility knife is that you risk the damage over penetrating exposed blade, so damaging something underneath what you're cutting. And the shears, well, they just beat up my already beaten up hands. So the OLFA Rolled Materials Cutter, it allows you to cut easier, safer, and more efficiently. So I've been using it for a little bit, and I find that it's easier to use, faster cutting, and with practice, you can do a really straight, clean cut in sheet goods. The cutter was designed for roll materials and rolled paper, linoleum, carpet, floor protection materials, and like I mentioned earlier, house fabric, but also landscape fabric. It's got a sturdy, oversized design, allows you to cut away from you while protecting the surface with this bottom base panel. The OLFA cutter comes with an ultra-sharp 45mm carbide rotary blade. So it's a carbide cutter, and on the rotary blade are 12 different cutting positions, and you change them by just removing a thumb screw and rotating the blade. It's really that easy. The bottom of this cutter is a smooth, flat, non-marring plastic surface, and for improvement purposes, I could see the bottom of this taking a beating over time. So I'd actually like to see OLFA, maybe they should consider if making a commercial version of this, you know, an all aluminum version for folks in commercial cutting, or at least making the bottom plate or something, beefing it up so that the bottom flat section doesn't see as much wear. I just see pounding, you know, on this flat part. The cutter is recessed and protected, and it can be safely placed in your pocket, your tool bag, or in a bag without you risking cutting yourself, so it's safe. It sells for like $25 online. It's worth trying. I think you're gonna like it. If you do a lot of material cutting, I think you should check it out. It's short money, and one that I think that you're gonna get a lot out of, and that you really should take a closer look at. You gotta just try it to believe what I'm talking about. It's really nice to just be able to cut something like that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment. We love hearing from you guys, and hit that post notification bell. We'll see you next time. Take care.